Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. This one's going to be quick, it's going to be simple, it's going to be loud in the background, very informal. I just want to share what I found. So, to get started, Connor got a Valentine's Day, like, clingy monkey that, you know, can hold on to things and stuff like that. And I picked up this Daylight LED light bulb. I have one of these in the fridge, and it's very cool toned, it's very bright. So I'm going to use this in a desk lamp. I picked up a box of these Queen Anne's cordial cherries. Love these. 5 pieces for $1. Not the best deal considering I believe you can get, like, around Christmas you can get them like 10 for $1. But I just wanted those. And I wanted a basting brush because I've been cooking recipes that require one. And I've just been like spooning it on top. And I thought, enough of that. I need to pick up one of these for $1. It's from Betty Crocker. I picked up a Sure Scents apple cinnamon candle. It smells really good. Move this stuff out of the way. I got one of these personal care shave cream, lavender and jasmine. This one smelled the best to me over the pomegranate one. I don't think I've tried this in the past. I'm not sure, but it's comparable to the EOS shave cream. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about it because I wasn't like the biggest fan of the EOS shave cream. I thought it was good, but I don't like how it's so thick it kind of like clogs in your razor. I don't know if anyone else had that problem, but I didn't really care that much about it after that. But Miss Tasha, Tasha St. James, go check her out. Love you, girl. Highly recommends this stuff, so I picked me up a bottle. I also picked up another bottle of the Daily Defense Coconut Oil and Vitamin E. Also, little side note, you're going to hear the dogs eating and drinking. They just come back in from being outside. So, like I said, very informal. I just wanted to share this with you. Love this stuff. It's good for anti-frizz. It's so good. I love this stuff. I did find a new hair care product to try out today. And I like this Lusty brand that they carry sometimes. And it's the Argan Oil Hair Repair Mask. And it restores and hydrates. So I'm gonna test this out. And I only wash my hair once a week. So I do like a couple times a month to do like a deep condition to my hair and stuff, so I'm excited to give this one a try. I got this idea from My So-Called Life, and she uses these SurePress reusable mini tin containers from the Dollar Tree to put makeup or store jewelry, and I love that idea. And I recently got a bunch of rings and little costume jewelry stuff, and I'd like to keep them separated on the makeup table for like filming and stuff like that. So I picked up a set of these. 10 for $1 is a great deal. And I picked up another one of the LA Colors Color Craze nail polishes in Energy Source. It's just white, but I really like the formula on these. It does take 2 coats to become opaque, but it dries quickly and it lasts a long time on the nails. I like this. So I picked up one of those. Some new finds. I picked up this gel lip liner from Wet n Wild in Doll in Love Again. I don't know. It's a peachy shade. Very creamy. I already opened it. And I picked up this Coca-Cola Cherry Lip Balm from Smackers. I love cherry Coke. And this smells really similar to the drink. It is tinted a little bit as well. Some skincare finds. I found the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal. Great for oily skin. I don't have oily skin, but I am definitely just excited to try the Daily Purifying Cleanser. And I found this SOS Save Our Skin 3-step mask. You have step 1 is a deep cleansing foaming face wash. Step 2 is an oil controlling T-zone mask. And step 3 is an exfoliating precision buffing pad. So I was intrigued by that, so I can't wait to try that. And then I found this Sassy and Chic Makeup Vanishing Towel. No soap needed. It looks super soft in the packaging, the material. So I'm excited to test this out. I have a full face of makeup on today, so I'm going to test this out. And that's my Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, short and sweet. A lot of cute new makeup bee finds. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Check the description box for additional links. And thank you so much for watching.